I approached this gentleman like 5 years ago, or I think it was 5 years ago. He was really not possible to approach. He was working on some technology, and I was like, what is it going to be? Like, I approached him a year later, and he was still not available. And then somehow I found the information like 2 years ago, a year ago, that finally Zdzisław, the inventor, engineer, came up with another business, another idea, and he's going to tell you about it because it's really something that any one of you can use. So, Zdzisław, please tell everyone about your idea, about your business. Please welcome Zdzislaw Iwanejko. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zdzisław. I am engineer, inventor and founder of HandyShower. Many of us like go hiking, trekking, camping. In many places there is problem, there is no running water. We wouldn't like wash hands, take shower. We have sometimes limited amount of water, so sometimes it's difficult. But for us, it is a question of convenience. But for millions of people, okay. For millions of people, there is everyday problem. They must carry water, often from remote wells, or carry.
It's gonna help.
Something wrong?
Technical difficulties, so please give us some support.
The problem is when even we have water in jerry can or some container, there is no simple devices to proper use this water.
I'm trying to fix it. It was all good before.
I must say that last year I have presentation in Google campus in Warsaw, and in this time it was some accident. There was no electricity, and we have no microphone, no equipment, and all people must explain and work without anything. So that's happened. So sometimes there's a situation that we need, for example, wash child, and you can imagine how it is not convenient. We must have a lot of water. Okay. So you can imagine how difficult it is to wash plates. The problem is well known that many big organizations like Red Cross or Oxfam or Save the Children have even challenges for hand washing device. For example, here is a challenge for Airbus people. The requirements is well known, so simply to say the equipment must be small, lightweight, durable, convenient, easy to use, and water saving. Many engineers try to solve this problem. For example, this is Joe Palmer for Oxfam Water Tap project. He worked also for Boeing. But till today was not quite good solution. We have such solution now. So it is water tap for hand washing. It is shower. It is also bidet or shut-off. It is all in one device. Here is an example how to use this in airplane. It is especially important for people from Middle East, from Muslim which travel, and after the vacation, then they need water to clean. So we have the stream similar to Japanese equipment for $1,000. We have patented this 4 years ago. We have already got patent. We have patented this only in a few countries, so it is in the European Union, in United States, in Japan, Australia, and we have not patented this in Africa because we would like keep prices for Africa very low. Here is how it works. It is 3D printed pedal. We can wash the hands without touching. We have a few different nozzles, which is easy to change.
Just give it a try.
Okay, in some places you can find a tap which avail shut off with delay. For example, even in this building. So it is very common in public places. So we can also have such solution in our equipment. So this equipment is a small sachet, and we have almost all important function of very advanced bath. So it is tap for hand washing, bidet, shower, possibility hand washing without touching, and also shut off with delay. As Daniel said, I work already many years on this. So because it was something new for me, I would like check this with some specialists. So we show this in many places. For example, for military people in Tankfest in Bovington in UK, in Defense Innovation Summit in Austin in Texas. We have also shown this for people, for outdoor people in Friedrichshafen in Germany. Also for humanitarian organization in Water Week in Stockholm and in IDEX in Brussels. We have consulted this with experts from the whole world. And what we have now equipment. It is modular design. We can easily adapt to different requirements and the condition. This is first 3-in-1 solution. This is very first portable 3-in-1 solution. So we create new product category like smartphone or spork or Swiss Army knife. It is really very easy to use. This gravity feed, so no need for pump or electricity. So we have already some testimonials from specialists, for example, from Emma Roca, which is adventure racing world champion. She won second place at Marathon des Sables. It is 230 kilometers over Sahara Desert. So he knows what is mean water on the desert. Also, Michael Messenger, he is hand washing station provider for British Red Cross, for example, for Haiti. We have established this as a family company, so it is my daughter and my son.
Company with purpose and family company. This is super marketing slogan, I would say, really.
Exactly. We officially 24th of November last year, because 23rd was 18th birthday of Zuzia, and we can start only when she was 18. So next day we go to Notary Public with Alex also, and Notary Public explained for my children 2 hours what mean every point of statute. Of course, there's now our team is 6 people. We are growing. Last year we make a crowdfunding campaign on Wspieram To. So we have collected 32,000 zloty. Last year we was also invited to Piscina and Wellness in Barcelona. We were in a group of 5 startups with disruptive innovation. It is Google campus in Warsaw. We won the first place. It is already when is electricity. I was also invited to Airbus Airspace Accelerator to Toulouse. And we have delivered this to this lady, which participated in two times in Mars Desert Station in Utah. They spent 2 weeks inside this habitat, and they have very limited amount of water, so they need small, lightweight, durable, convenient, and water-saving device. We have also delivered for another lady from high seas from NASA. She spent 8 months in high seas habitat in Hawaii. Now we are testing in different situations in Africa. This is in Jordan. This place was Mathian film placed. So it is our market, very, very different. We have bottom of pyramid. It is hundreds of millions of people without access to running water, but they can afford for equipment for 5-9 euro. We have traveling museum, we have festivals, participants, trackers, camping, for emergency kits for military, and also for analog Mars base. We hope in the future, probably in the first Mars base will be our equipment. So we want not only provide the necessary water equipment. At the one event, I have meeting with a guy from North Africa, and he said that it is really neat equipment, but they have a big unemployment. If it is possible to produce this in Africa, simply by, for example, assembling. So we have made this that is very easy to assembly. Now we are assembling this in garage. We are startup, so we are working in garage. And my son make this equipment in about 3.5 minutes, one piece. So it is not difficult. So you can imagine, this is Al-Zatari refugee camp in Jordan. In North Jordan live about over 1 million of refugees from Syria. They live exactly in the desert. The water, all water must be carried with water trucks. So it is really big problem. The water comes to such tanks, and then people must carry to the own tanks. So we would like to help these people, and to help, we would like produce and deliver in a buy one give one option. So we sell this in, for example, in Europe or in the United States, one set, and one set we deliver to people in need somewhere.
For free. So someone buys one,
Yes, for
and you
free.
give another one to.
For free, or for example, in Africa, probably we will sell for $5 or $6. So that means we will sell without margin or with a very, very low margin. So which has one big advantage. When we sell without margin, we have also no competition, because it is difficult to imagine that someone will produce and sell without margin. When we sell millions of such sets, and the million people use this, you can also order big quantities of parts, and it is cheaper. So we have a better margin, for example, for Europe or United States or Japan. So next month we start a crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo. So we will be very glad if you can support us on this.